Hello guys, I hope everybody is doing well and keep yourself safe and warm. Today we are going to cook Agushi. So I have goat meat here boiled already. I have stockfish, I have shaki, dry pepper, dry crayfish, goosey, granite, Maggi, palm oil, salt, spinach, and onions. First, I'm going to blend the granite, goosey, and crayfish, and onion with water. First we put the goat meat. I'll put the goat meat inside. Put some water. Put water. What's that? Okay, now we have the goat meat in. So add some pepper. I want it really spicy. And some shaki. And the stockfish. Tell me, what do you want? Now add the water to boil. I'm adding the palm nuts and Maggi. All my seasoning I used to boil the goat meat and the shaki is already in. That's why I didn't add any seasoning. I'll leave it to boil. Okay, now I'm adding the goosey. I think I blended more than what I needed. Oh, I never know. Maybe I'll use it.
What is the foam?
The what?
The foam.
The foam.
On top.
Oh, because of the oil, the palm oil and the goosey. I like my goosey light, and on top of that, goosey have to be well cooked. Oh, Rona. So I have to let the goosey, goat's meat, fish, shaki, everything cook so well, because goosey, if it doesn't boil, cook well, it make you run. So I'll just leave it for at least 20 minutes to dry a little bit down before I'll add the foam is disappearing because the goosey and the palm oil and everything is getting ready. That's why the foam is dissolving. When the foam dissolves completely, you see the palm oil on top of the soup. You see? The oil is coming out. So it's getting ready. I'm going to add the spinach. the reason why I didn't close it, I want it to boil, and sometimes when you close it, the way the foam was before, it can boil and come out. So you have to prepare yourself that your oven top too will be messy, because when the soup is boiling, it will jump out from the pot and pour on the oven top. So now I think I can add the spinach already. The spinach, I bought the fresh one, so I washed it with salt and chop it and freeze it, so make it safe and easy. Let's look at you.
Oh, I'm
smiling. Yes, do you know why I didn't add the salt yet?
No.
Because the stock had salt. The goat meat and the shaki had salt. So I have to wait till everything dry down a bit before I can test it and give some salt. But me, I'm okay with it like that.
No, mommy, needs more salt.
Yes, that's for you. You know I don't like salt. That's right. Okay, let me taste it. Okay, small salt. Yes, let me taste it. I want to taste it.
You can. You can.
You can?
You can.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's okay. Nearly done. Yeah, it's done. Nearly done, or it's done. It's done. You are hungry. It's done. Okay, this is the final result. My goosey, and I'm having it with eba. Oh, enjoy. You guys are invited. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Let's see you next time. Bye.